Look, I get it. This isn't what most people are looking for. No instant rush, no crazy POV angles, none of that. Sometimes you just need to slow down. When the camera isn't moving, you can't fake anything. You actually start to notice the real stuff. The road, the metal, the way the light hits the tank. It just feels real. You don't need a crazy, chaotic video to make a ride look good. Set up a tripod, get the light right, and let the bike do the talking. Anyone can film a fast ride and make it look exciting. But making a single still shot feel heavy? That is the real deal.